today I'm going to explain you how to stack your Veritise tokens. First of all, you need to have a minimum of 10,000 Veritise in your wallet to have an importance higher than 0%. If the importance remains at 0, you cannot stack your Veritise tokens. So here we see that the stacking status is inactive, and I'm going to be able to select the node that I want, so 1, 2, or 3. And then I can click and link all keys and start the stacking. So link all keys, confirm, and then enter your password and confirm once again. I will see at the top that my transaction is in progress, just like that. So once this action is completed, I will be able to check in home if I have the transaction in my transaction history, just here. So now let's go back to stacking and see if my keys are linked, just right here. Okay, so now I can go to the second step, which is to request the stacking. I write down my password once again and confirm. I will have to confirm this operation another time because it has a very low cost of a few hundreds of Veritise. Again, once the transaction is finished, I can check in home if my history tells me that it's completed. Okay, so now I go back to stacking, and as you can see, my stacking status is active. Here you'll see the block that I've made, the fees that I've collected, and the stacking block just here. Now, if you want to stop the stacking, you just have to press here and enter your password to confirm the action. I need to specify that when you launch the stacking, you will use all the tokens. Indeed, you can choose a certain volume of tokens. However, all of them can be used and the stacking will be rewarded according to the volume. Okay, so now let's change our wallet and see what it looks like when the stacking has already started. And here we see that on this page and the second one and the third one, that it's a stacking launch about a month and a half ago. So we have made 2,565 blocks, and we have collected 3,696 fees in total. And yes, that's it. It's so simple. So see you next time.